Magtame magnetic charging cable? What possible use could I have for a magnetic charging cable? Huh, interesting. I wonder what it'll be useful for. I mean, first of all, is it really magnetic? I mean, can I stick it to a fridge? Huh, I guess I can stick it to a fridge. And does it take less space in my pocket? Yeah, I guess so. I guess it doesn't create a bulge like having all these multiple wires. I guess it is useful, but does it even give me 60 watts? Let's see. Huh, look at that. It does give me 60 watts. Okay. Well, still, I don't understand what possible use would a tidy magnetic cable in any possible way benefit me. I mean, if I need a cable, I can just grab one from my bag. I mean, no, that's not the one I want. I can just, no, that's not the one I want. So anyways, I don't, no, not that one. So it's much easier to kind of like, well, no, hold on a second. No, that's not the one I want. That's definitely not the one I want. No, go away. Go, no. I need USB to USB. Where is this the one?
This is the worst!
That's lightning, that's, again, I don't see any benefit for that tidy magnetic Well, if I manage to convince you, honestly, this is shockingly affordable. Affiliate links below.